Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Rich. Name of the channel is Rich the Return Rider. For all you guys that's here for the first time, thanks for tuning in. For all you guys that's return viewers, I appreciate you coming back. For all of you guys that have subscribed to the channel so far, I appreciate your support. And for all you guys that haven't yet subscribed, guys, go ahead and subscribe while I continue to bring you some of this content. So guys, for all of you guys that seen my last video, it's a video with the wife and I talking about the 2019 Honda Goldwing, and some of the damage that was done to it as I did the Robert Simmons Paying It Forward Practice 37. One of the goals that day was to not drop the bike and let it go over on the bags, and we did. I failed. I failed in that aspect. So we did some minimal damage to the left side of the saddlebags. So what you're looking at here, guys, is a package that I got from eBay that is supposed to be some replacement parts. I don't know, it's supposed to be quite a bit of parts in here, but what I'm going to share with you guys today is the unboxing of that and see what we got here. Now, according to what was explained on the website that I looked up, the 2018 to the 2021, the bags and so forth should be similar. I think the only thing that was changed in the 2021 is the tour pack on the back became, you know, they made it a little bigger so it can actually hold two helmets in the back of it. But anyway, guys, quick rundown on this channel. What this channel is based on is me getting back into riding motorcycles after being away for 20 plus years. I started riding motorcycles in the mid to late 1990s, lost my best buddy at the time to a motorcycle accident, sold my motorcycle shortly after that, and haven't owned a motorcycle in 20 plus years. When the pandemic came about, I got back into riding. The first bike that I bought was the Suzuki Boulevard M109R 2012. I did quite a bit of classes and practice on that motorcycle. But on this journey, guys, what I'm excited about is that the wife decided to join me in this passion, this hobby, this journey of getting back into riding. And after doing a ride in the Tennessee mountains and so forth, I realized the Boulevard wasn't, I guess, as comfortable as it can be. We decided to purchase the 2019 Honda Goldwing manual. I did explain in the video why I purchased the manual over the DCT. Being a big fan of these classes, the Ride Like a Pro, Jerry Palladino, Robert Simmons Paying It Forward. These guys are retired police motor officers, and what they're teaching us is some of the techniques that a police officer would learn to stay safe on the streets, and I totally buy into that concept. But anyway, guys, instead of making this video really long and drawn out, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unveiling what I got from eBay here, and look like a pretty big box with a lot of parts. Haven't yet opened the box yet. I started cutting it open and then realized, you know what, it'd be nice to probably make a video of the unveiling of some of this stuff here and see what we got. One of the things I might consider doing, it's supposed to be a pretty easy assembly as far as putting the parts on. All I see was some screws around. I think I just have to release the shock and, you know, and one of the things that hold the bag kind of like tethers the bag on. But anyway, guys, let's see what we got here from eBay. Guys, I'm on my back patio here. I've gotten quite a bit out of shape since I'm blaming it on the pandemic like everybody else does. And one of the things you're looking at here is part of my exercise equipment that I plan to get on a daily basis as I get back into trying to get into some kind of shape. All right, guys, so here we go. Okay, so the first thing, I might not be able to identify all these parts. They look like quite a bit of parts that I saw on the website. But guys, for $240 or something like that, including shipping and stuff like that, these are all the parts that I got. Like I said, it's for 2021. I did do some research and they're saying it should fit. So here we go. All right, this looks like the, wow. So this looks like the back mudguard. Does look brand new. put that to the side here. Wow, it is securely wrapped. I must admit that. Got this stuff on the floor here. Wow, that's brand new. Oh, look at this. This is the top part to the saddlebag. I guess this looks like it might be the right side. And the connector here you're looking at is for the heated seats, I assume. Nope. This is actually for the release of the side cover. Now, the only thing I'm concerned about, guys, is there's a little bit of a different color scheme here to the 2021. And I'm kind of curious about how that's gonna work out. Okay. Look like this might be the part here that I'm looking for. Wow, everything is so nicely bubble wrapped. Okay, guys, here we go. Oh, this is the right side. Wow, look at that. How cool is that? That's pretty. Oh, kind of like that. Kind of like that gray design there. Everything looked like the splits. So yeah, guys. So this will be the right side. All right. Gonna put this one back here. Wow. There's some other parts in here that I quite don't know where they go, but I'm sure. Don't quite know what that is or where that goes. But it does have some bolts here. We'll put that up here also. It might be a puzzle, guys, but like I said, I only need the 2 bags. What they refer to, I think, as the skins. Hoping for is that they have a side cover in here, because one of my side covers was actually, when I bought it from this one here, have a little scratch there. No biggie. I think that's the back part that goes. Oh yeah, that'd be a nice accent if that goes. Yeah, I think that goes somewhere. Yeah, I think I know. Yeah, I think I saw the color scheme of the 2021. Wow. The color is so, metallic is so pretty, guys. When I was looking for this motorcycle, what I really wanted was the white. I think the white is easily the most beautiful of these motorcycles. I even saw the Suzuki Boulevard M109R. With kind of a similar paint job, the metallic. Right, there's my Schnauzer's curious. He's heard all this stuff going on. He's doing his job. He came to investigate. Say hi to the cameras, Molly. Got some folks looking at you there, my friend. A lot of parts, guys. For $240, man. Can't go wrong. Okay, so I guess this will be the opposite side of this one over here. For the top bags, again, beautiful, not a scratch on it. Some little blemishes, don't know exactly what those are. Guys, it's like some kind of a, taking me a while to get to the part that I really need here. I think this will be it right here. The part that I am most concerned about. The left side skin. Well, there we go. So I hope this one is perfect. Alright guys, so this will be the damaged side right here, and hope everything fits up really nice. This here needs to be better clipped in. A little concerned about that, but don't know if that is a big concern. But here we have it, guys. This will be the part right here that I damaged as it went over. This piece here looks a little different than what is on the bike right now, but that's fine. As long as it fits, it'll be great. So probably the only thing to changing this thing out would be removing these and taking off the cover. But what I'm looking at here that I didn't notice on the other motorcycle, where we have hinges here, where I probably wouldn't have to do that. So that's interesting. But anyway, guys, so again, with shipping and handling, what you're looking at here is parts that came out to $300 and something. Shipping and handling. Looks like brand new parts. You know, and I don't know, I might do a video of me assembling it. Interested, the clips here don't seem to be exactly, don't quite know how those, anyway. But, so that's what we got, guys. So for the 2019 Honda Goldwing, I did purchase the parts. I did mention in the video that I was doing with my wife that I had some stuff on order. This is it. So again, guys, gonna be sharing that with you as I bolt this stuff up to see what it looks like. Probably wouldn't be doing all the other parts here to the back. Just curious about whether the bags and so forth here on the side is gonna fit. And you know, we're here in Florida here. It's in the 40s today, so probably wouldn't be doing it today. I know for you guys up north, you're probably saying, ah, that's nothing. I don't think our temperatures is gonna get no higher than the 50s. And the next couple of days is supposed to be some freezing weather here. I think you're probably supposed to get into the 30s and 20s. So, I don't know. It might be a couple of days before I decide to do a video on me installing this stuff. But anyway, guys, like I always say at the end of my videos, man, I don't care what you ride. These classes are important. So, you know, get out there, do these classes. I said I was going to add to it, add some protection to your bikes. One person, Robert, did suggest that, you know, maybe I need to keep the older parts if it's that easy to bolt up for when I'm coming out to do the practices. But again, guys, I'm going to be reaching out again to Orlando or even to Miami, man, to find out if we can get some better protection for these motorcycles. And for all the motorcycle manufacturers out there that do the Honda Goldwing parts and so forth, I think Kuriakin or something like that. And, you know, you guys, we are all waiting for you guys to develop some parts to help protect these motorcycles. Anyway, guys, like I said, don't care what you ride. Get out, do these practices, add some protection to your motorcycle. Rich the Return Rider, out.